Hey guys, it's Kuji, and in this video we're gonna show you how to put on radiator guard on Aprilia RS 660. We hope that it's gonna be a very quick tutorial, very helpful for you guys, and we're gonna definitely learn a lot while doing it by ourselves, so let's get straight into it. So just to summarize it very quickly, because we looked through the footage, it seems like it was pretty chaotic. So now we're gonna walk you through which screws you should remove. When it comes to the side panel, we have 4 screws. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the only screws that you need to remove on this side panel. Then if we move on to the front, right here next to the screen, we have another 3-4 screws that we need to remove, and we will point them for you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after you remove the panel with the screws that we just pointed, there's gonna be another screw under it that you need to remove. Then on the front of the bike, we need to remove 3 screws on each side to get to the radiator. They are located in this area right here. We have a better picture to show you guys, but it's just 3 screws. Okay, you guys, we managed to remove the fairings on the clutch side. What you want to do, probably to make it easier for yourself for later, you just remove these parts together. There's no reason to separate them. To do that, we had to remove 3 screws that are down here. One of them, it's very hard to get into, so we used something very creative like this, so that it doesn't take much space and you can just reach that screw easily. With just the screwdriver, you wouldn't be able to do it. Then also we removed some 4 other screws that were in this area up here. We're gonna show you the pictures, so you should have all the information. Yeah, we're gonna keep going. So we took some pictures of how to put on the radiator. We have it on right now. It took us a bit to figure out how to do it. Since there's no instruction, the radiator was from very cheap site, so the quality is of course not the best. But what you want to do is remove those 2 panels besides the fairings that are already removed. You want to also remove these 2 panels that hold this side of plastic, and on the other side, also the other side. And then basically what you do is just slide in the big part of the protector up there, and it's gonna hold on to radiator itself. Then the next part is to basically use the smaller part of the protector and screw it in to the main part. And that's pretty much it. We'll see how well it's gonna hold on. We are just keeping our fingers crossed. And that's how the final product looks like. The whole process was not that difficult. The only difficult part, I would say, was taking off all the fairings, which is quite a lot, not gonna lie, just to put on a protection on the radiator. I wish Aprilia made it a bit easier for us. I hope that you were able to follow along, but if you have any questions about radiator or any other questions related to the bike or anything, just write them down in the comments. I'm gonna have all the products, all the stuff that I'm putting on my RS 660 also linked in the description, as well as all the gear and recording gear as well, if you're interested to check that out. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope it was a bit helpful at least, and see ya.